In today's video, I'll show you how to enable fast startup on Windows 10 step by step in a simple way that's easy for beginners to follow. Fast startup helps your computer boot faster after shutdown by saving some system information. If your PC feels slow when starting up, turning this on can really help. First, click on the Start menu and type Control Panel, then open it. Make sure the View option in the top right is set to large icons or small icons so everything is easier to find. Next, click on Power Options. On the left side of the screen, select Choose what the power buttons do. At the top of this page, you may see some settings that are grayed out. To unlock them, click on Change Settings that are currently unavailable. You might need to allow administrator permission here. Now scroll down to Shutdown Settings section. Here you will see an option called Turn on Fast Startup. Simply check the box next to it. After that, scroll down and click Save Changes. Fast Startup is now enabled on your Windows 10 computer. If you do not see the Fast Startup option, it usually means hibernation is turned off. In most cases, enabling hibernation automatically brings back the Fast Startup option. Keep in mind that Fast Startup works best with regular shutdowns, not restarts. Also, if you use dual boot systems or certain hardware, you may want to test if this feature works smoothly for you. And that's how you enable Fast Startup on Windows 10. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.